Number 3 says, refer to the regression model from section 12.3, number 3. So on that question, we found the regression line to be y is equal to 18.962x plus 321.509. Part A says, what does the model predict the millions of metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions will be in 2027? Now, in this model, the x values were the years, and they were specifically the years after 2010. So when they say 2027, we need to interpret that to be x is equal to 17, because 2027 is 17 years after 2010. So we need to plug in 17 for x, and we should get y is equal to 643.9 million metric tons. Part B says, when will the millions of metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions reach 776.6 according to the model? So in this question, they are giving us the y value. So we need to plug that in for y and then solve for x. And x is equal to 24. But again, the x values are the years after 2010. So x equal to 24 means the year 2034.